How do you use the angle gauge? Very simple. The angle gauge has different degrees. It goes from 13 degrees up to 21 degrees. And if you notice, one side is angled, the other side is straight up and down, and at the bottom of that little V is a hole, okay? So what you're going to do is you're always going to start at 21 degrees, and then you're gonna go down from there. Also, what you wanna do is when you put your knife blade in there, you wanna put the blade flat against the straight edge of the little V cut there. So you put it flat, straight up against it, and you put it down, and if the blade goes down into the hole, now you don't want to push it down, you just want to guide the knife down, and if the blade goes into the hole, it is not the correct angle. So then you're going to go to 20 degrees. Again, flat against it, go down. The blade is still going into the hole. I'm going to go to 19 degrees. Still going down just a little bit. I'm going to go to 18 degrees. Again, it's just going down a little bit. Right there. So I'm meeting resistance. I'm not pushing down. I'm just sliding the knife down. And I'm meeting resistance without it going into the hole right at 17 degrees. So now I know this knife blade is at 17 degrees. That's all there is to it.